Hello everyone, this is Surendra from Arkham Industrial Training and Research Institute, Coimbatore, Department of Commerce, University of Madras, Chennai, in association with Arkham Industrial Training and Research Institute, Coimbatore, jointly organizes 1 week online FTP training on implication of GST in Tally from 11th June to 23rd June. Hope you all enjoy the session. So the purpose of this video is to show the demonstration about the working in our site for next 7 days. So in this page we need to log in with your credentials like username and password, those given on the time of registration. If so, did you forget your username and password? There is no worries. You can change your password by clicking on forget password link in this page. Okay, so just click on this page. It will redirect into forget password page. In that page, you are supposed to ask your registered email ID and your phone number to validate your details. Once it filled, okay, so just I filled my details, so Suren1690, then my phone number, okay, then clicking on this button, it will be validated into another page. In this page, you can view your username already given at the time of registration, so you can give your new password. You can change your any password, so you can change it. Just I will change my password, then click on update. So it will redirect into login page. Okay, so this is the procedure for forget password. So next we are going to view our home page. How the home. Then click, then give your username and password. Once you change it, or if you didn't forget, just give the username and password. So it will be redirected into home page. So in the home page, you can view 7 tabs named day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6 and day 7. Okay, so if the current date is day 2, like today is 16, so 16 is today's date, so it will redirect into the same page, like the tab will be activated the current date. If you click on day 1, it will be completed, but it will shows the our last session videos, like our last session materials. So day 3 and day 4, like the tabs will be show the message session materials will be visible at 18th June, that like current date at that date at 9 AM. So every day you have a session at 9 AM, right? So day 4, day 5, day 6, everything it will shows like other tabs. Okay, so it means it will be the upcoming sessions. So upcoming sessions, it will shows session materials will be visible at 22nd June 9 AM, right? Rest of that you can view and assess. If the completed sessions like day 1, day 2, you can view all the session on the all day till 7 days. So next process, how to view the video and the material. So here it comes. So just I will put day 1 session video. So just we will view the button. So by clicking on the button start day 1 session. Start day 1 session. By clicking on the button start day 1 session, it will be redirected into the material page. In this page, you can view your day material in PDF format by clicking on the download material. So it will shows your material page in text format. So it will shows your material page in text format. You can download it at any time. Then another one is a video format. So here it comes. So just down here. So it will place the video, right? Once the video has been completed, then click on take assessment button. Here it will show some instructions. About the assessment. This is the title page and this is assessment. Then number of questions, type, score, everything. Like it will be read. Then once you read the instructions, then click on start quiz button. It will redirect to the quiz page. Once you completed the quiz, then click on submit button. Okay, once you completed the button, quiz, then click on submit button. Just I will switch over some answers. Maybe it's right or wrong, I don't know. Because I'm not an IT. I'm not a non-IT. I'm an IT guy. So just I will click on some answers. But you can't skip any answers without blank, so it will show some error. Please select one of these. So you must need to select some of the option because it is a multi-choice question. Once it is completed, then it will show your score, right? It will show your score. Here come to the it will show the page. Then click on home button. It will redirect into our home page. Then back to your page by clicking on the go button. Here come to additional menus, like so there are some menus here. So over here it's a home, profile. Apart from home, there is a menus called profile, material and score, logout, like that. So logout means it will log out to your page. So try to log out every day. So in profile page you can view your credentials. You can change your any credentials at any time within these 7 days. So here it shows your password, so you can view your password. So the material and the score, it will shows the material scores about what you have taken and the total score for 7 days, and you can download the material as of now finished. For example, you are at the 4th day, you can download three materials in this, right? Hope you all cleared about this site. Thank you all for all the session, all the best. Then once again, just a minute, I will show how it will works on mobile view, right? How it works on mobile view if you are using a mobile. So once you are using the mobile, the home page will be like this. The home page will be like this. The menus are structured into 3 dots. Then click on 3 dots. We will show the menus like home, profile, material and score. You can click the material and score. Here it will show all your scores. Then just back to home page. Then day 1, start day 1 session. It will view like our video will be like here. So you can maximize your video and you can view your video. So Occam Industrial Training and Research Institute are doing many courses like Tally, GST, Data Analytics, and some other IT courses like from Scrub, C++ to advanced level, AngularJS and Data Analytics, Python. So we are doing the courses in online, offline, and video, and in social medias like YouTube, then Facebook, then Insta. We are doing the courses in offline, online mode also. So here we are watching is our YouTube channel named as Occam Industrial Training and Research Institute. So please subscribe our channel for getting notification about current technologies like in video format, or what other technologies are there. You can, even though in the 7 days also you can view in your YouTube channel. So Occam is our main goal is to transform the users to creators. Thank you. All the best.